Hi everyone, it's Molly Ann Fairley of the School of Psychic Studies, and I'm talking to you about the new moon, which is going to be on the 28th of September, but our magic evening for the new moon is not until the 1st of October, the following Tuesday. This is a new moon in Libra, and it's a very powerful new moon. It's all about you focusing and concentrating from inside you rather than looking at other people's opinions of you. We are going to be doing a money spell, a lucky money spell, very powerful one, and you will need 9 green candles, and I think the rest of the information Samira has put underneath us. It's a very powerful moon. It's about you having an excellent relationship with yourself, but also balancing your relationships so you haven't got too much work, home pressure, too many demands on you from a particular source. It's about you finding your own center and becoming very strong. Yeah, so you're going to need quite a few different things, and I have listed them all below. There's lots of planets that are now moving forward that were stuck before in the summer months. I'm sure you remember it was just all completely at a standstill, wasn't it? And we've got very powerful planets moving forward now. Mercury is forward. Let me see here. We have got Mercury. We have got Pluto going direct on the 3rd of October. Jupiter went direct on the August, and Jupiter's about expansion. Okay. And let me see, the equinox is also around the corner, everyone. So altogether, this is a very, very powerful, magical evening. So see if you can be online at 8 o'clock on the 1st of October. And do read all the instructions, because I'm also asking you to sit quietly and tune in to Goddess Sedna, S-E-D-N-A. And if you don't know who she is, look her up on the web. And then just get a sense of this goddess, that she's full of continual supplies and abundance. So that is Molly for today, new moon, 1st of October. I hope I see you there, because we are going to work some magic.